Are you an investor who is always in search of latest crypto coin to invest in? Have you ever tried investing in Cardano before? Maybe even you too have not discovered the power of this coin. If you want to know more about Cardano, this video is especially for you. Nowadays, it really is a great way to save you money by buying and holding Cardano cards. Cardano's plan is set on Ethereum, and this is why some crypto experts have nicknamed it Ethereum's little brother. You'll be surprised to know that Cardano's cryptocurrency has hit new highs in the past week, despite the overall downturn of the crypto market. Hi viewers, welcome back to Finance Bro, your get-to-go place to learn everything happening in the world of cryptocurrency. In this video, we will talk about the top reason why Elon Musk should choose Cardano over Bitcoin. Stay with us till the end of the video to find out why. Before we jump into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified when we return with a brand new video. Without any further ado, let's hop into the video. There was a time when people only knew about Bitcoin for a cryptocurrency, but its ill effect on the environment did not remain hidden from the investors. However, Elon Musk, who once himself invested in Bitcoin, is now shifting to a cryptocurrency that is more eco-friendly and has a potential to give you better returns. Most of the investors have a keen eye on Elon Musk in the world of cryptocurrency, and we all know how Elon Musk's one tweet can change the fate of a coin. Therefore, it is the biggest reason why Elon Musk should choose Cardano over Bitcoin for a better environment. The list does not end here. Cardano entered the market in September 2017. Thanks to its innovations in language and virtual machine design, Cardano immediately gains fans in the crypto space. On September 29, 2017, Cardano launched its first applications in leading network. The following year, Cardano entered into several high-level partnerships in the academic and fintech sectors. Cardano will issue a total of 45 billion ADAs during its lifetime. You will probably see a similar pattern in Cardano and Ethereum. This forms the basis of opportunities that you can explore as a novice and Cardano investors. Cardano is like a second chance at Ethereum with a cheaper coin, which makes it profitable investment for every investors. Some reasons suggest that this is a substantial investment, and the Cardano price may experience significant growth in the near future, according to experts. Cardano will rise to $3 by the end of 2021, to $3.6 by the end of 2022, to $4.5 by the end of 2023, to $5.2 by the end of 2024, and to an impressive $15 by the end of 2025, highly probable, which makes it a profitable investment for every Cardano holder. You can expect Cardano to reach $100 in the long run as it follows in Ethereum footsteps. Cardano is a decentralized network, while Ethereum promotes a closed system with limited options and more technical features. You don't need to be an expert to explore the Cardano ecosystem. This suggests that Cardano will build its user base faster, provided it makes the right move, and prediction so far confirms Cardano's rise in the crypto market. Cardano, the platform, caught international media attention as the first blockchain to incorporate a peer-reviewed research strategy into its core principle. Today, Cardano is one of the best cryptocurrencies in the world. It is common for investors and analysts to refer to Cardano as a third-generation cryptocurrency. In particular, first-generation cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin introduced the world to a secure and decentralized cash system. The developers of Cardano have heavy targets for the project. Additionally, the developers of Cardano are attempting to provide access to financial services to the world's unbanked population. Cardano is also moving forward with the intention of helping stabilize the dApp industry. Cardano strives to set standards in the market to ensure interoperability across networks. Moreover, Cardano introduced a new consensus mechanism known as Ouroboros. Similar to the most blockchains, the node that adds the next block receives a reward for its efforts. At the beginning of each term period, the system selects leader from the stakeholder pool. Epochs act as a snapshot of the blockchain from the previous date. Depth is required in the system to ensure network security and prevent the possibility of chain change. The technical characteristics of the systems are impressive. As a result, Cardano offers the demonstrably secure first proof of stake protocol. Cardano is an excellent long-term investment. Many experts assure you that this is a really good method that can make you money by buying and holding Cardano. There are many reasons why Cardano is a good investment. specialized language for financial contracts in Cardano. Users determine how valuable the project is or will be for the investor. Cardano's selling point is momentum and acceptance. It was almost impossible to get people to migrate from the Ethereum ecosystem. Today, however, we will continue to see great projects and initiatives that challenge the Ethereum network. The TRC now can boast more transactions than the ERC20 network. It's only a matter of time, and Cardano could literally consolidate its place in the crypto space, right next to Ethereum. Anyone who wants to make a significant investment in Cardano can purchase a hardware wallet. Hardware wallets are more secure than mobile wallets because they securely store your cryptocurrencies offline in the cold storage. Ledger Nano S, or more advanced Ledger Nano X, supports this Cardano. Cardano debate notably, Ethereum's POS researcher Vlad Zamfir argues that voting on the chains is dangerous. Given its fast following and growing network, it's safe to say that Cardano will remain a staple in the blockchain industry for years to come. While all of this is true for Cardano and current price of Ethereum is above $2,000, Cardano's price can reach the $100 level and shouldn't be that hard to get. The next 5 years are promising for Cardano. Cardano is involved in several projects that will redefine its place in the crypto market and set new spikes in the price. Moreover, Cardano promotes an open and decentralized network that does not require any level of expertise to explore. In 10 years, you should expect projects that benefit from Goguen in the Cardano ecosystem to explode explosively and, of course, a proportional price increase. Considering all these qualities of Cardano, there are several reasons for Elon Musk to choose Cardano over Bitcoin. Now, we would like to hear your views about Cardano in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to press the like button. Do share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrencies and investment markets. Also, feel free to comment below. We would be happy to know your perception about this topic and answer your queries if any. We will come out with more videos, so stay tuned.